You guys, my go-to protein snack is no more. I can't find anything to replace these guys, so I guess it's time to experiment. I'm Kristen, this is Kristen Unpoisoned, and on this channel we take the poison out of everyday living, and today we're going to do that by attempting to create a healthy recipe for protein squares. Unfortunately, Evolve discontinued their whole line of protein bites last month due to too many challenges in maintaining consistent manufacturing. I can't find anything else on the market that I can actually eat to replace them, so I thought it would be a good idea to attempt to create something myself. I've never made anything like this before or attempted anything similar, so I'm really not sure how this is going to turn out. Since I've never done anything like this before, what I did is take the ingredient list from the hazelnut protein bites, my favorite ones, and I pulled a couple of different recipes, some ideas from those, to make my own recipe because I couldn't find one online that really was what I was looking for. Again, I don't really know how it's going to turn out, but I will link the recipes I looked at below along with all the ingredients that I used and things like that that might be useful. So I'm pretty much winging it from there. Let's go to the kitchen and see how this turns out.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life.
Okay, moment of truth. Gonna give this a try. Gosh, it looks delicious. So good. Look at that. Can you see? I don't know if it's gonna focus on that. Oh my goodness, it is so chewy and delightful and lightly sweet. Oh, the chocolate is melty, so if you're gonna transport these, you'll definitely want to keep a little ice pack or something with you to make sure you keep it cool. Oh, but man, that is delightful. Okay, so a few notes after finishing that bar. I do like the recipe I created. It is delicious. However, it is melty, so that's one thing to note. You'll need to make sure that you pack a cold pack with it, or you have napkins or something, because otherwise it'll get pretty melty. And the second thing is it's quite chewy and dense, so there is a possibility of getting it stuck in your teeth. So that's something else to look out for if you're eating these in public or, you know, at lunch or whatever. So while it's not a complete replacement for the Evolved protein bites, I'm pretty proud of myself, and I do like the recipe I created. I will be tweaking it to see if I can, you know, switch it up a bit, but for now, I think it's pretty good. Hey guys, Kristen of the future here. I was just editing this video and wanted to pop in here really quick and tell you that I've made this recipe one more time since I made this video, and this time I used less dates. I think I used six or seven instead of 10. And I didn't use the bone broth protein, and I didn't use hazelnuts because I didn't have those, and it turned out really well. I think it was maybe the tiniest bit less chewy than it was the first time. The taste is still really good. Everything about it was really good, but I think the real density and the chewiness is probably coming from the cup of almond butter. So if you're wanting to make them a little bit less dense, you might want to use less almond butter, but that is still to be discovered since I haven't tried that myself yet. But do let me know if you try it. If you make your own protein bites or something similar, please let me know in the comments. I would love to try your recipe out. Thanks for watching. Keep living an unpoisoned life, and I'll see you next time.